She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe would make the perfect side dish for pretty much anything, whether it's a weeknight meal or a holiday meal. This recipe is definitely sure to please, and it's super easy and delicious. We're going to go ahead today and make some easy buttered carrots and corn. So we're going to have sweet vegetables and a deliciously flavored buttered herb sauce that's ready in no time and definitely worth a try. So these are the ingredients that we'll be using today to make this delicious side dish. So hopefully you guys are ready for today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out, definitely appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so here's the recipe for the easy buttered carrots and corn, the sweet vegetables, and the delicious flavored herb butter. It's ready in under 15 minutes pretty much, guys. Takes no time for this side dish. It's bright and colorful and has so much flavor, and you are definitely going to want to give this a try. Hopefully you did enjoy today's video. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you're a fan of carrots and corn. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video. You guys take care, and thanks for watching. Bye guys.